Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I'm sharing, right?
Yes, sir.
Can someone please confirm? Yeah. So I think Jaya is a new student, right? So who is not joined yesterday. So can you please introduce yourself, Jaya? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Hi, good morning. Actually, I completed my post-graduation long back, sir. I'm been working. My total experience is 15 plus years.
Okay.
So I just want to shift into completely into the IT field. So hence I have decided to learn testing tools.
Okay. Then you are in the
Okay.
correct
Yeah.
update. So it's great to meet you all guys. So yesterday we just discussed about the things what we are going to discuss on the course duration, right? So what topics we discussed, what is mean by manual course we have, and what types of manual testings we are learning, like QA testing and API testing. And after that we move to the automation testing and what are the tools covered under it, and what are the additional benefits you guys covered during this course on how to prepare the resume. Now, I have listed all the things and I hope the institute is already shared a syllabus with you. If not, you can ask them, they will share a syllabus with you and you can get to know the things. And from Monday onwards, actual classes are going to be started. So yesterday, I just explained about the things which we are going to learn in the course. I didn't give any concept yesterday, right? So today, I am going to plan to explain the software development lifecycle. Okay, so today I want to deliver a concept to you guys from the software development lifecycle. Okay, so when I'm explaining, if you are not able to understand, please stop me and ask your doubt. Okay, so here let me open a notepad. Hope you guys are able to see the notepad, right?
Yes, sir. We are able to.
Okay. So not only the QA, not only a tester, so whoever is working in a software industry, software development lifecycle is a very important. We have different phases in it. For example, if you want to cook any recipe, like we have biryani, right? So if you want to prepare a biryani, we have a set of steps to prepare it, right? So even though we have the different types of biryani, the preparation would be a same, like we need a rice, we need a chicken, we need some masala, and like that we need some ingredients, right? Ingredients will be almost same for the types of biryanis, but the difference is the way of cooking is different. The way of cooking is different, right? In similar way, software development life cycle is nothing but it's a life cycle which we are going to use to deliver or prepare a software to the client. Okay, while delivering the software or product or project to the client, we have some steps. That steps are called as a software development lifecycle phases. Okay, first of all, software development lifecycle. What it means? Software development lifecycle means it's a process to develop your product to the client. Okay, you can frame your own definitions. Okay, it's not a BTech or degree to by heart the definitions and to explain at the time of interviews, right? So just understand the concept and prepare your own definitions. So here question itself we are having that we are developing a software, for that we are having a life cycle. It's nothing but it's a process of developing a software and deliver to the customer. It's called it as a SDLC. SDLC. Let's see what are the phases involved in it. Let's see what are the phases involved in it. So if you see here, first we have requirement analysis. Next we have, I will explain one by one again. So first let me list out the phases what are available in it. Requirement analysis, feasibility study, then design, coding, testing. Our work will start here in this phase. Deployment, maintenance. These are the phases we have. Total how many phases we have? 7 phases we have, right? So what is mean by requirement analysis? Requirement analysis is nothing but we are going to analyze the requirements of the customer. Okay, initially a client will reaches the software company to explain their requirements, once the client is explained their requirements, the company will analyze the requirements. Okay, so they just see the requirements and they will send to the next phase, feasibility study. Feasibility study means, for example, the client is nothing but a Zomato company came to the TCS, and Zomato asked to develop a software for their food delivery application by the help of the TCS. So what the TCS immediately will do is they can check the feasibility of those requirements. So sorry guys, what is mean by feasibility? On what aspects we are going to check the feasibility? First thing, we are going to check the resource feasibility. Resource feasibility means this project need to be developed in the 3 months. We have only 5 employees, so it's not possible with the 5 employees. So what the companies will do is they will release the openings in the job portals. Then actually whenever the new projects came to the company, then only they will release the openings list, like that notifications that this opening is available in so and so opportunity, like that they are going to deliver. Okay. So next, feasibility. After that, technology feasibility. Technology feasibility means, for example, that client want us to develop it in the Angular. Okay, but we don't know the Angular. The employees who are in the TCS company don't know the Angular technology. They are using another technology. Okay, so at that time you need to check that feasibility, whether that customer required technology is there with us, or if not, we need to hire few more people who knows the Angular, right? So that is the technology feasibility. And next one is financial feasibility. Financial feasibility means we need to check the financial feasibility is nothing but here resource is nothing but human resource, like employees will come. Technology means which type of technology we are using to develop. Financial means how much budget is required for it. For example, the Zomato is offered 2 crores to develop a project. So that company will think of that is 2 crores is enough to develop a project with that employees, or if not, we need to ask more. Okay, this is called financial, technology, and resource feasibility. And next one, now everything is okay. Requirement analysis is done, feasibility study is done, everything is cool, everything is good. So now what we can do here is we are going to design. It's nothing but mock-ups. Initially, for example, if you are going to buy any flat in the apartment which is under construction, that builder will show you the mock-up how that apartment will looks like after construction, right? So that is the mock-up. In similar way, software also, before developing, we are going to create a mock-up that how that software looks like. For example, the software login page look like this, software home page looks like this, software product page looks like this, and we are going to show all the mock-up pages for the complete product. Once that mockups are approved by the client, yeah, I'm okay with these colors, with this presentation, with this design, then it was approved and it will send to the next phase, coding. Coding is nothing but the developers are going to start coding. The developers are going to start coding the software. Okay, once the coding is done, our testing work will come here. They are going to start testing the features which is done. Once the testing is completed and everything, no zero errors, zero bugs we have, we are going to deploy. Okay, deploy means whenever you are doing this coding and testing, that code will be there in your local laptops within your office network. For example, in if your office we are using some network, that code will be there inside your laptops of office laptops. Okay, out of the person who is there out of your office won't be able to access it. Okay, the people who is working on that project only can be access that project, right? So after testing, if everything is looks good, they are going to deploy into the public server. Who is having the internet can easily access it by giving the domain name like www.zomato.com. So this deployment will done by the DevOps engineers. DevOps engineer. Once we deployed, the client want to add few more features. So this project is given for the 50 features, and after delivering the project, the customer is wants us to develop 5 more or 10 more features. So what the team will do is again they can do all those steps and they can do the maintenance for the new 10 features. Okay, or if there is any feature is not working proper, that will also comes under the maintenance. For example, if it is Zomato, we have a promotions because of Dasara. Okay, they will prepare one banner and they are going to update it. Okay, after Dasara is done, that banner won't be help us, right? So they are going to remove that banner and they will make Diwali offers like that. Okay, so this is called software development life cycle, and these are the phases what we have under the software development life cycle. Okay, so like assume that SDLC as a biryani, we have different biryanis, right? In similar way, SDLCs also we have different like waterfall model, iterative model, V model, spiral model, SL model, many things. As per the project requirement, we need to choose that. Okay, in for coming classes, we get to know what are the different types of models we have and what is meant by waterfall model, what is meant by SL model, V model, spiral model, everything you get to know in the coming days. Okay, so as like a types of biryanis. Okay, based on our requirement, based on our project, we are going to use it. We are going to use it. Okay, so hope you guys are clear. Hope you guys are clear. Jaya, Kashyap, Akila.
Yes, sir, we are clear.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt on this software development life cycle, you can ask me. So it's very, very important because you should be aware about the software development life cycle. Even if you're applying for the fresher, not sure about an experience, but if you're applying as an experienced fresher candidate, then it will be a one of the interview question. Here you can see what is software development life cycle. It's a procedure to develop the software, and it is a process of creating a systems or software. It's nothing but here system or software both are same. Okay, system is nothing but we are developing a particular thing, right? So that particular website or app or whatever it is, we are calling it as a system. That's it. And next one, by using models and methodologies, the people used to develop these systems. Any SDLC should result in the high quality system that meets or exceeds customer expectations and reaches completion within time and cost estimates and works effectively and efficiently and is inexpensive to maintain and cost effective to enhance is nothing but whatever they are telling is simply software development lifecycle is a procedure to develop or deliver a software to the client, and by using the models like types of SDLCs I'm telling, right? So by using those models and methodologies only we are developing the software. But whatever SDLC we are using, we have different types of SDLCs, right? So whatever SDLC we are using, our main agenda is to provide a quality to the client and efficiency to the client and inexpensive to maintain. It's nothing but easy to maintain. These are the 3 points why we are categorizing the SDLC models and we are using it. Okay, just read these 4 points on the software development life cycle, guys. And if you have any doubt on these 4 points, you can ask me now. Hope you guys clear, right? Software development life cycle. Just about
Yes,
the SDLC. These models we have different. We'll explain in the coming classes. Okay. So nothing much worry on the initial classes itself. Don't make stress. And next one, I just want to ask you one question to you guys. Okay, so this is the question what thinking to ask to. Why do we need testing? Sorry, not why do we need testing. Why do you choose the testing job? Yeah. So as you are joined in the testing course, right? So it's nothing but you are interested on the testing. So what is the reason behind to choose the QA? Jaya, Kashyap, Akila. Okay, let's check with one by one. First, I will start with Jaya and then Kashyap and then Akila. Yeah. Why do you choose this testing job? We have different technologies in the market, right? What is the reason behind it? If you are not able to speak, even if you type in the chat also, just make the session interactive. That's it. Don't be silent, guys. Kashyap.
Uh, yes. So I was poor in coding. So one of my seniors suggested me to go on the software side for testing domain will be a little bit easy for me. So I just start off taking the testing course, and in the testing, I find that we can able to sort out we can ensure whether the product is working fine or not. So anyway, it will be essential part to be a tester. So we will get a jobs in market. There will be a lot of jobs in market for testers, and the probability will be more. So I just choose testing side.
Okay, good one, good one. Yeah. So in QA, as you said that we have manual and automation, right? Coming to the manual, coding is not required, but automation as like a developer only. So you need a coding knowledge on it. So, but here there is a flexibility in the testing. So there we can work on, for example, if someone is housewife, they can easily maintain that QA work at home by taking the work from home and work from office, like hybrid work. But its development, it's not like that. It somewhat should be work on the office to discuss with the different kind of members. Okay, but the QA is also difficult in few companies like gaming domain and some other domains. But we have a good salaries in the QA as well. So if you observe that one of my friend brother, he's only 3 years of experience and he is getting almost 15 lakhs per annum. So for 3 years, 15 lakhs is very good salary in the QA. That too as a manual tester. Okay, so you will get it, but here based on the companies, few companies will give the priority to the QA, few companies will give the priority to the developers. For financial sector, gaming sector, and banking sector, these type of sectors will give priority to the QA because the application should be the zero bug free, right? So to it's money related, all those applications are money related. So you need to choose the companies wisely and you can apply for it. Okay, good one, Kashyap. And what about you, Akila?
Same reason as of Kashyap. Minimal coding or no coding, and decent paying jobs, more number of jobs available in testing.
Okay. Yeah, jobs, number of jobs will be there in the all the domains, not only QA. But yeah, the minimal coding will be there for few frameworks. Yeah, that will be the good reason. Okay, fine. What about you, Jaya? Are you able to speak now?
Yes, sir. The same reason, sir, the less coding, and moreover, I would like to add a point here that every software will have new versions, but whereas testing, there won't be new versions, I believe.
Okay.
I mean, new upgradation. I mean, recently. this automated testing has come into the market. But before to that, it's only just manual testing, right?
Okay. Okay, good.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. So hope you all have an idea about, right? So as Jaya is joined newly, I just quickly explain about the things which we are going to learn in the course, which is already explained in the yesterday session. So let me go quickly on the syllabus thing so that Jaya is new to the today class, right? So yeah, here you can see that. Hope you received the syllabus document. If you haven't received, you can reach out the institute persons and you can ask them. They will share this Excel sheet with you. Our course is broken into the two parts initially. First one is manual testing and second one is automation testing. Coming to the manual testing, we have two parts mainly again. The one is for UA testing and one is for API testing. All these concepts are very, very, very important. Most of the interview questions for the manual testing will come from here only. But automation, I have prepared a document and I will share it by the middle of the course regarding that interview questions and which makes you feel better to apply for the jobs. And coming to the automation testing, these all are the concepts which we are going to discuss. First, Java, and then we can discuss about the GitHub, and the Selenium, TestNG framework, Cucumber framework, Maven, Jenkins, and all these are the concepts. If you see here, all these tools are getting to be covered in this course: TestRail, Jira, Postman, Eclipse, Jenkins, TestNG, Cucumber, GitHub, Selenium, Java. All these tools are getting covered in this course. In the manual testing, we are going to cover one project. In automation testing, we are going to cover one project. Total two projects we have. Coming to the manual testing, we are going to discuss about the human resource management, how HRs are handling the employees' data. That is a domain we have for the manual testing, which is named as a Orange HRM. Even if you type in the Chrome also, you will get it for the free access for it. And we have the credentials in that application only. That company provides the credentials as well to check the demo of their Orange HRM application. Even if you want also, you can go to the Chrome and you can type it, and I will discuss you how to write the test cases and how to work on the project manually. And coming to the automation, we have a e-commerce application. This is also one of the practice application we have for the real time, which the people who when started preparing their automation stuff. So the application name is Swags Lab. Application name is Swags Lab. Okay. So these are the projects we are going to discuss, but the duration is 2 hours. The class timings will be 7:30 to 8:30, as it is the initial timings, right? So there will be 30 minutes session will be there as it is a demo. So from Monday onwards, the classes will be there for the 60 minutes or 45 to 60 minutes. We have the duration in the starting 1 week. Once the classes are habituated, then the classes will be there. Stick it to the 60 minutes per day and more than 60 minutes. As it the demo sessions, I don't want to explain more concepts in the demo sessions that few people may join, right?
Hi guys, this is Sarita from management team. Actually, trainer is getting power issues, so he disconnected in between. Hello, hello guys, am I audible?
Yes, you
Yeah,
are.
you're audible.
Yeah, okay. So he just called me like he's having power issue. So we'll continue from Monday from the
Okay.
class one, regular class one. Okay, is that fine?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So do you have any issues? Then just let me know so that I'll forward it to the trainer. So all you are okay, right? So
Yeah, we are okay.
then we'll leave this session. So please join on Monday for the regular
Yeah,
class. Okay. Yeah.
thank
Thank you.
you.